Today, we are upgrading the Creality Ender 3v3 SE with the ChromaSet to enable multicolor printing. First, we remove the stock print head by unscrewing the front cover and taking it off. Next, we unscrew the plastic piece holding the print head cable, remove it, and release the latches to disconnect the cable. Now, we remove the extruder motor by unscrewing its mounting screws. We disconnect the extrusion motor and bed leveling sensor cables to fully detach them from the print head. Next, we unscrew the hose end, disconnect its connectors, and remove it completely. We then unplug the fan cable and take off the front cover. To access the print headboard, we unscrew it and set it aside for later use. Before removing the print head bracket, we loosen the belts. We then remove the print head assembly by unscrewing the wheels and detaching the belt connections. Now, we install the custom mounting part designed for the Ender 3v3 SE to accommodate the ChromaHead. We start by positioning the belts, securing the wheels with screws, and attaching the adjustment screw to the lower wheel before tightening all the screws. After this, we tighten the belts again and secure the wheel adjustment screw. Since the X-axis sensor is located on the print headboard, we must relocate it using a custom-designed mount and attach it to the side of the printer. We screw the print headboard onto the mounting bracket. And secure the piece to the side of the machine. Now, we connect the motor cable, attach the print headboard cable, and fasten the latches to secure it. Next, we remove the front cover of the ChromaHead and unplug the fan cable. To install the ChromaHead, we insert square nuts into the designated slots and secure them with screws. Now, we connect the print head cable and fasten its screws. We reconnect the fan cable, close the front cover, and install the 8-in-1 module onto the print head. Now, we remove the stock filament holder. We mount the extruder block holder, tighten its screws, and secure it to the printer using the pre-drilled mounting holes. If the printer's power cable is plugged in, we disconnect it. Next, we connect the motor cables to the extruders. To install the PTFE tubes, we move the print head to its farthest position, cut the tubes to the correct length, and insert them into the 8-in-1 module. We repeat this process for the other two extruders, moving the print head to the farthest position again. Now, we bundle the print head cable and PTFE tubes together. Next, we connect the motor cables to the ChromaPad, followed by the print head cable. We plug in the power cable to the ChromaPad and turn it on. Then, we complete the tablet setup. We select our printer and follow the on-screen steps. To write the Klipper.bin file, we insert a USB flash drive into the ChromaPad. Now, we plug the USB drive into a computer, copy the file to the desktop, and then insert the printer's SD card into the computer to transfer the Klipper.bin file onto it. Once the file is copied, we remove the SD card, insert it into the printer, and plug in the power cable to turn on the machine. Next, we connect the Type-C cable to the printer, plug the USB cable into the ChromaPad, and select the correct port. We connect the ChromaPad to the internet, obtain its IP address, and enter it in a web browser to access Mainsail. To update the firmware, we first delete the old configuration files and upload the latest ones. we open the printer.cfg file, go to Devices, copy the updated serial path, and paste it into the serial section before saving and restarting. We open the ChromaHead.cfg file, plug the printhead USB cable into the ChromaPad, go to Devices, restart, copy the new serial path, and paste it into the serial section before saving and restarting. Now, we can access the dashboard. We open Orca Slicer, load the model, enter the IP address, and update the bed size settings from the printer.cfg file. After adjusting the scaling, painting, and support settings, we slice the model and send it to the printer. The print has now started. This print took 10 hours on the ChromaSet-equipped Ender 3 V3 SE. And here are the results. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more multicolor 3D printing projects.